Today's editorial, a needed note of COVID caution, is based on Prime Minister's address to the nation. The Prime Minister, in his address, cautioned his citizens not to be complacent against COVID-19 threat. To substantiate his points, he used Kabir's Doha and he quoted the following lines from Kabir's Doha. पाकी खेत देख के गरो किया किसान अजहुन झोल बहुत है घर आवे तब जान. And again he quoted Tulsidas Chaupai to drive the point that one shouldn't belittle any enemy. And this Chaupai reads like this: Ripu ruj pavak pap प्रभु अहि गमिया न छोट करी अस कटी विविध विलाप करी लागी रोदन करन. Now coming to the editorial. Now coming to editorial. End of neither corona nor downturn is certain. Downturn means a decline in economic activity. Prime Minister Modi did well to call upon the citizenry to not let their guard down now that the worst might be behind us on the COVID front, especially as the festival season approaches, in which milling crowds are an essential feature. Milling crowd moving around aimlessly. The Prime Minister was spot on when he warned against assuming something has happened before it actually has happened. He quoted couplets from Kabir and Tulsidas to drive the point home, the former to make the point that a positive outcome should not be taken for granted simply because it seems most likely, and the latter to guard against facile presumption that a source of harm has disappeared. We urge the Prime Minister to apply this excellent principle to economic recovery as well. Here in this editorial, Prime Minister quote from Kabir Das and Tulsi Das has been mentioned, and the editorial further says that this excellent principle should be applied to economic recovery also. There are some signs of recovery on the manufacturing front. Tax collections are improving. Freight movement indicators are positive. Automobile sales are coming back on stream. To use Kabir's analogy, this is like a field filled with a robust ripening crop, but till the harvest has come home, you cannot be sure that something would not damage the crop. It is the translation of Kabir Das Doha. पाकी खेत देख के गर्व किया किसान अजहुन झोल बहुत है घर आवे तब जान. This is like a field filled with a robust ripening crop, but till the harvest has come home, you cannot be sure that something would not damage the crop. And as Ramcharitmanas warns you, your enemy or the fire might appear to have died, but could still have enough life left to singe you. रिपु रुज पावक पाप प्रभु अहि गमिया न छोट करी अस कही विविध विलाप करी लागी रोदन करन. Similarly, the economic downturn might still have enough dead weight left in to drag the economy down. Now the editorial is extending the similar analogy to the to economic front, and it says the economic downturn might still have enough dead weight left in it to drag the economy. Dead weight means heavy or oppressive burden. The economic downturn might still have enough dead weight left in it to drag the economy down. Either way, the message to the government is clear. Step up spending, particularly investment, to consolidate the growth momentum in a sustained recovery. We note that the finance minister has reiterated that she is open to one more stimulus package. The point is to act rather than repeatedly mouth readiness. The editorial emphasizes that it is the need of the hour to step up spending, and the PM pointed out how India has fared relatively well on the COVID front compared to countries such as the US, Brazil, and European states. It would not be amiss to point out that the COVID impact on the economy has been relatively modest in other South Asian nations as compared to India. In fact, in South Asia, India has fared very badly. Its GDP has shrunk by more than 10% and it is largest among emerging economies. India must do more to accelerate recovery. As Kabir says, if you plan to do something tomorrow, do it today, do it now. जो काल करे सो आज कर, जो आज करे सो अब. This editorial concludes with Kabir's दोहा, जो काल करे सो आज कर, जो आज करे सो अब. That is, it is right time to give stimulus package and to go for accelerated recovery and to stop from further downturn. So what applies to COVID-19? Similar argument can be made for economic recovery also. So there is no, so there shouldn't be any complacency on the front of COVID-19 or on the front of economy. So it is the right time to give stimulus package for recovery of economy. Spending should be a step up because it is the only way to come out of this crisis. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.